around here just stop him.
The description of the suspect was a black male in his 50s.
Do I look like I'm 50, bruh? Do I look like I'm 50?
Yes.
Yes.
Probably.
Yeah, nah.
You've got gray hairs in your beard.
I don't give a. It's people that's 30 that got gray beards. I got the right to speak. You can't tell me how loud and how voice you cannot. You don't. There's not a law to say. I don't care. You cannot tell me to lower my voice. I don't have to lower my voice.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today's video features Derrick Hatten, who filmed an incident involving the Daly City Police Department in Daly City, California. While walking home, Derrick was stopped by officers who claimed he matched a suspect's description. Frustrated by these allegations, Derrick began recording the police interaction on his phone, and that's when things took a physical turn.
That's fine. To fill her in for what? I didn't do nothing. You can't. You can't. I mean, look, Jamie, for what? I'm going home, man.
No, you're not.
Why not?
Because right now you're being detained.
For what? For what?
We just
for what?
It to you.
For what? Did I investigate for what? Because I'm black? Because I'm black. Investigate for what? Officer what?
No, you're not.
Officer what? What did you see me do? You didn't see me do shit. Nothing. You didn't see me do shit.
What is your name?
Walk.
What is your name?
For what?
Okay, I'll explain it to you again. About an hour ago, we had an intruder at an elementary school.
It wasn't me.
Okay, well, you match the description.
I don't care what I match.
Okay, well, we're going to have to get the victim here and have the victim take a look at you to make sure that you're not the person that we're looking for.
Get it on your own time. I got shit to do.
Well, I'm sorry about that, but you're detained right now.
For what?
Because you fit that description, sir.
It's a whole bunch of people fit the description. I don't know where that school at. Ain't no school over here. I'm black and I'm walking. Where is the school at? I'm black and I'm walking. Probably only black in this vicinity.
The school is about 1.5 miles from here.
What the fuck do I look like?
Avenue.
Bruh. Can I go now?
No.
Why not? Why not?
You're being detained.
For what?
Because
what crime did I commit?
We're gonna bring a victim here to take him.
I got shit to do, bruh. I got shit to do.
Well, I'm sorry about that.
You being a motherfucking dickhead. You being a fucking This is totally unexcusable. This is basically a stopping while he black. He's the only black motherfucker around here. Just stop him.
The description of the suspect was a black male in his 50s.
Do I look like I'm fucking 50, bruh? Do I look like I'm fucking 50?
Yes.
Yeah, nah. Fuck that.
You've got gray hairs in your beard.
I don't give a fuck. It's people that's 30 that got fucking gray beards. I got the right to speak. You can't tell me how loud and how voice you cannot. You don't. There's not a motherfucking law to say. I don't care. You cannot tell me to lower my voice. I don't have to lower my voice.
In the Court of Appeals, 6th District, which covers California, the ruling in People versus Everett, Robert Walker stated that a person cannot be detained solely based on resemblance to a suspect. Although the police have the right to ask questions, they cannot detain someone purely because they match a supposed description.
It's not a law to say I gotta speak in a certain tone.
Calm down.
I'm calm down. I ain't got. You ain't gonna tell me how fucking loud and fuck I can or can't speak.
Did you want to speak to a supervisor? Because if you yelling, I'm not gonna be able to talk to you.
I don't give a fuck. I don't want to talk to you anyway. I don't want to talk to you any motherfucking way. Give a fuck about your supervisor.
So the description of the person.
I don't give a fuck about the description. How about that?
Well, you asked why you're being detained.
How about that? I don't give a fuck about your description.
Well, that's the explanation of why you're being detained.
This ruling was made nearly 11 years ago, yet we find ourselves witnessing these Daly City officers harassing Derrick without reasonable suspicion or probable cause. Considering Daly City's size, these officers could be better utilized solving real crimes instead of unjustly targeting this man.
They stopped me because I'm motherfucking black. I'm not answering no questions. I'm not saying shit.
I'm sorry.
I'm not providing no ID or none of that shit.
Yeah, I know, but
You want my address is motherfucking Earth.
no, I totally no,
Unfortunately, due to the ruling in Terry versus Ohio, the court concluded that the Fourth Amendment does not prohibit police from stopping and frisking a person if they have reasonable suspicion that the person committed a crime and may be armed. However, the concept of reasonable suspicion is often subjective. It relies on how a reasonable person or officer would perceive the situation, considering all relevant circumstances.
How much longer are we gonna be? Because I got shit to do.
Okay. I'll try and get you an estimate. 174, 130. Any update? Copy. Thank you.
Let me check rinse right quick.
Yeah, there should be a photo in there.
Should be a photo of who?
Hopefully
Me?
you. So
Hopefully,
we can verify who you are.
hopefully,
Since you refuse
hopefully
to
what?
tell us who
Hopefully,
you are.
hopefully. You just want to lock me up, huh?
It can be formed by a combination of seemingly innocuous facts that, when considered together, raise suspicions of criminal activity. Reasonable suspicion falls between vague suspicion and probable cause, requiring specific facts to connect suspicion to an individual. While police can frisk for weapons based on suspicions of being armed and dangerous, they cannot frisk for drugs. Critics question its effectiveness and view it as a tool for targeting individuals.
Only if
Eat a mother, eat a. That's why nobody in the community likes you motherfuckers, because of this shit right here. You've been a dick ever since you motherfucking stopped me. And I know my rights. I can speak however the fuck I want to.
Yeah, you can.
I can. You right. You fucking right. I pay your motherfucking salary. I pay taxes. I'm a taxpaying motherfucking citizen. I'm a veteran. I fought for this motherfucking country. You fight for this country? Are you a vet? Are you a vet? Are you a vet?
You don't want to answer any of my
Are you a vet?
questions? Answer any of
Well,
your
good. You know that's your right. Don't answer them. But you.
The video, unfortunately, does not show whether Derrick was taken to jail or not. There isn't another video on his channel that reveals the conclusion of this interaction. While I don't fully agree with his belief that the police stopped him solely due to his race, I do agree that this stop was purely based on Derrick's appearance, including his mannerisms and attire. Police often target individuals who appear vulnerable or struggling, opting for the easy targets. The officer's explanation seemed shaky and lacked credibility. When their attempts to silence Derrick failed, they resorted to detaining him against his will. The behavior exhibited by the Daly City Police Department is utterly disgusting. I encourage you all to visit Derrick's channel, subscribe, and offer some words of advice in the comment section. Thank you all for watching, ladies and gentlemen.